guys again, welcome back to another video of mine. This is your boy AJ Phoenix and it's another unboxing for you guys, and it's none other than Warcraft the beginning. So this is in 4K Ultra HD, and it also comes in, which you see, 4K Ultra HD plus Blu-ray plus digital code. So that is yours. So I'll show you the case. That's if you can see it without, there you go, I can show it this way without reflecting anywhere. That is the front, as you can see. That's the side. I know it's not that great because you'll get a reflection how shiny it is. So yeah, let's get into it. And I've noticed with this, it's pretty thin, so it's not usual thick, normal. So yeah, let's use the trusty knife again, and let's get into it, if I can. Probably not that side. Hang about, what's that then? I'm usually good at these. Got ya. That was tricky. So, into it. And yes, you lot can have the digital download. So, oh dear. So let me put the digital download just on my lap a minute, so no one takes it until I show. I don't know what these are. These are like gifts, PC games and that. I might use that. Yeah, I'll use that, but I'll give you the downloads. So, we got two discs. One, the Ultra HD, which is the 4K one, as you can see, and the normal Blu-ray. So, that is that. And that, if it zooms in without looking at me, I'll get, so you can see it. That's if it picks this up. If it don't pick it up, I'll put it in the description for you guys. So that is the digital download code. I don't get why it's not picking up, because it's trying to look at me. I don't know how to focus, I forgot how to do that. Anyway, yeah, that is the digital download. Now I will put it in the description because it is slightly blurry on the camera, so yeah, I will write it down in the bottom for you guys so you can check that out and take it. Whoever gets it can have it. So yeah, that is Warcraft the beginning. So just whack that in there. If you've really liked this unboxing, I know it's slightly different because it's a 4K one and it's bloody shiny because it reflects what I'm watching on my computer. So yeah, that is 4K, and I've got this because I've got a 4K TV, so I just need a 4K player. But in the meanwhile, I get to watch it in Blu-ray. Until I get a 4K player, then yeah, it's going to make it worth the while. So, smash the like button, and you'll see me in another video. So, like, subscribe, share, favourite. Thank you guys, peace out, and catch me in that next video.